Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to our Opulence Global Tour. Rico Kilao here, tuning in all the way from the Philippines. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat po ng ating mga partners, as well as to our valued guest for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to see this presentation. And we're going to make sure that your time will be worthwhile as we will be sharing with you some of the solutions that we have when it comes to how you can improve your life with an opportunity that you can get started right here, right now. And by the way, we are from Opulence Global. Ayan, Opulence Global is a proudly Canadian international company which has been in business for more than 19 years. No? So welcome po sa lahat ng na nanonood ho dito sa ating call. And of course, no, pag-uusapan ho natin today is how you can live uh, a better life. Okay? So who among you here would want to experience, of course, unang-una, healthy living? Napakahalaga ho niyan sa panahon ho ngayon. Kailangan malusog ho tayo, no? And of course, on top of that, sino ho dito ang gustong ma-achieve or maranasan yung tinatawag ho nating financial freedom? Ayan. So once and for all, gusto ho nating masolusyonan yung mga problema nating pang-pinansyal. And of course, when we have that, nandiyan din ho yung mga family vacation, exotic adventures, prestigious lifestyle, and on top of that, no, maganda rin ho yung isang opportunity that can help us achieve yung personal development. So ito ho yung mga tatalakayin ho natin ngayon. What if you can have it all? Imagine the possibilities that can happen when we have an opportunity that can help us to experience all of these things. And of course, yan po yung ating mission here in Opulence Global. We want to provide you an opportunity that can help you achieve opulent living. And opulence, by the way, means the best of the best. It also means abundance in wealth, and that's what we're all about. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about for today. And let me share with you, sino po ba si Opulence Global? Opulence is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So basically, we are more than 19 years, no? 19 years in the global market. And we basically have transactions in more than 200 countries and territories. We continue to expand with our multiple regional offices and much more. We are an accredited member ng Better Business Bureau. So yung Better Business Bureau, napakahalaga ho niyan to validate the legitimacy of the company. And once you are an accredited member ng BBB, ibig sabihin maayos ho yung sistema, yung pamamalakad ng ating kumpanya, ng ating negosyo. Hindi lang tayo na-accredit dyan, nakuha pa natin yung pinakamataas na A+ rating, which just shows that we are truly a credible, trustworthy company. And on top of that, we were named among the top 100 solid company for 2020 by the businessforhome.org. So this is who we are, and of course, we're celebrating our 20th year next year. Yan. So talagang meron na ho tayong proven track record. And of course, napakahalaga din ho that we come to know kung sino ho yung namumuno dito sa ating company. As they say, everything rises and falls in leadership. So ito hong ating CEO, yan ho yung kanyang vision, no, to provide an opportunity that can help people achieve generational wealth. And ito ho yung maganda dito dahil yung background ng ating founder and CEO, meron ho siyang malawak na karanasan in building multi-million dollar businesses. So he's a self-made millionaire at the young age of 25. And he has helped a lot of people, no, become millionaires as well. At sabi ko nga po, napakalawak na kanyang karanasan. Hindi lang isa, kundi 5 multi-million dollar businesses ang kanyang napalaki. He was even featured in American Business Journal, top 2 compensation plan expert, a network marketing Hall of Fame inductee, and author of the Forensic Networker, which is the direct sales most advanced training system. And on top of that, no, Canadian wrestling champion ho siya with 112 medals. You can see yung kanyang mindset of a champion. So yan ho yung maganda dito, no? We are being led by someone who knows how to become successful. Yan ho yung isa sa mga katangian na dapat hinahanap ho natin to someone who will lead us in order for us to achieve success. And more than that, no, we offer quality products that you need and want. Yan ho yung maganda dito sa ating opportunity. Hindi lang tayo about mga need product kasi karamihan puro mga need products lang yan. We also provide you with products that you want. Example ho niyan is itong ating mga fashion items na talaga naman hong marami ho ang tumatangkilik niyan from all over the world. As a matter of fact, more than 350 celebrity clients, no, ang meron ho tayo dito na syempre gusto nila yung mga fashion items. We also have, of course, the beauty and personal care, and on top of that, the health. And this actually combines massive industries, no, multi-million dollar industries in one opportunity. Yan ho yung maganda dito sa ating negosyo. And on top of that, no, meron ho tayong fashion heritage. We are actually the largest Canadian private fashion house. Yan ho yung ating Ferry Designer House. Yan ho yung ating opisina sa Canada. And exclusively designs from our Toronto and European designs. Hindi ho basta-basta yung mga quality ng ating mga fashion items. As mentioned earlier, we are worn by over 350 celebrity clients. Eh, alam nyo naman ho yung mga celebrities na yan, lalong-lalo na pag rumarampa sa red carpet, eh hindi ho pwedeng basta-basta yung kanilang mga accessories, yung mga gadgets, katulad ho nitong ating watch na suot-suot ho ngayon. And Ferry on the Runway, actually nag-host ho tayo niyan, the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer. And of course, this was attended by a lot of people. We have numerous global media accolades. We were even featured in the Fox 5, The View, International Emmy Awards, TIFF or the Toronto International Film Festival, and the Golden Globe Awards. So basically, yan ho yung ating fashion line, and we actually have a video for this. Probably after this presentation, we can share with you this amazing video. We cannot just play it right now. But on top of that, no, we also have what we call the Safe Home Revolution. Ito ho yung isa sa aming advocacy. And what we want from here is that we want to share with you how you can protect and preserve your health, how you can protect you and your family by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So we have very mga phenomenal products, a wide array of products from skincare, personal care, oral care, and of course, the health and wellness. And these are highly consumable daily essential products. And basically, no, itong ating mga products, very unique ho yan. We feature two main ingredients, which is, of course, the microsilver. And you have to understand, no, microsilver is a premium German technology that have a long-lasting protection against mga bacteria, microbes, germs, and even viruses. So present ho yan sa ating mga products. And on top of that, ito hong ating Norwegian spruce tree extract, another breakthrough ingredient that has helped a lot of people all around the world. So ito hong ating mga products, no, na naandyan sa ating Safe Home Revolution. Most of them are actually made in Canada, and it is certified, no, dito sa manufactured in GMP certified facilities. It is also vegan, not tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and on top of that, this is tested by dermatologists, cleanses microbes, and protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. So yan ho yung ating tawag ko nga ho dyan, power lineup, no, para protektahan lalong-lalo na ang ating kalusugan. So first, let's talk about itong ating microsilver, because microsilver, ito yung maganda dito, medical grade natural elemental silver in micro-sized particles. So what it means is ito ho yung ingredient na patuloy lumalaban sa mga bacteria, viruses, microbes, germs para ho mapangalagaan yung ating kalusugan. So it is a microbe cleansing without harming the skin's natural flora. It's totally safe, and it also has anti-odor properties, and it is backed up by a lot of patents, no? Nano-free. Yan ho yung maganda dyan sa feature ho ng ating microsilver lineup. We have our Ferry Sterling microsilver, we have our Ferry microsilver spray, mouthwash, and even our toothpaste. And on top of that, pati ho yung ating mouth spray. So all of these accolades, eco-certified ho yan, and of course, vegan, Cosmos Natural. So we have basically world-class certifications when it comes to this microsilver lineup. And on top of that, ito ho yung ating pinaka-flagship product known as the Fountain of Life. And this has been, sold in different parts of the world, over 1 million bottles sold. It's basically a high-performance antioxidant to protect and preserve your well-being. And I have seen, no, itong mga testimonials ho natin, iba-iba hong mga conditions, and on top of that, no, we contain the highest level of antioxidant that is available in the market right now. Fast acting din ho siya. Nakita ho namin yung kaibahan nito sa ibang mga produkto, kasi pagka tinake nyo ho ito, meron ho kaming mga instances na sometimes, no, in less than an hour, in a matter of minutes, nakikita ho natin yung improvement, yung benefit dun sa mga tao ho nagte-take. And just to share with you how powerful this product is, no, just 10 drops of this each and every single day, it's as if you are consuming 1,800 cups of apple. Ganun ho kataas yung level of antioxidants that you can get, particularly coming from the extract of the Norwegian spruce tree. And yung Norwegian spruce tree has been discovered as the most potent and strongest lignans in the world. Now, you've heard about lignans. Lignans is actually a type of plant antioxidants na lumalaban ho sa mga free radicals, and it helps fight against oxidative stress para nang sa ganun ay malabanan ho natin yung mga sakit-sakit na yan, at ang katawan ho natin, manorish ho natin. Kasi yung katawan ho natin, pag maayos na gumagana ho yan, may kakayanan ho yan na pagalingin yung sarili niya. So again, we have seen and used this product and how it helped a lot of people from different parts of the world. So that is one of the unique and powerful products that we have here in our online shop. So the benefits of FOL, napakarami ho niyan. Imagine just a minimum of 10 drops a day. Look at what it can do to your body. It protects heart health. It lowers chronic inflammation. It defends against dementia. It protects prostate health. It reduces breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, which are very prevalent sa panahon ho ngayon. It improves hair health. Marami na rin ho kami nakitang mga testimonials niyan. It improves sugar metabolism and control diabetes complications. Ayan, naku, marami hong mag-benefit, no? Especially sa aspeto ho na yan. And then it protects DNA, it improves metabolism, it lowers body weight, it reduces hot flashes. So these are just some of the many testimonials that we have seen and heard, no, based on this simple solution. Imagine just 10 drops a day, which will take you less than 3 seconds to do. You are taking for yourself a very powerful antioxidant, much higher than any of the antioxidants that are available in the market right now. Okay? So yan ho yung kagandahan. If you want to learn more about this, you can ask your questions right after this call. And on top of that, no, we just recently launched itong another power lineup, no, sa atin hong products. Ito hong ating tinatawag na Divine. So Divine is basically a supplement that supports your immune system. It fights against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. So basically, in just one product, you can have these very powerful active ingredients such as the maritime pine bark extract. You also have the zinc. Ayan, naku, napakahalaga ho niyang zinc, especially sa nerve health. And then we have the glutathione, which is actually what we call the master antioxidant. So in combination with all of these things, tulong-tulong ho yan na nagbe-benefit ho yung ating katawan. We call that synergistic effect. And on top of that, meron din ho siyang vitamin C. Okay? Alam naman ho natin kung gaano kahalaga yung vitamin C na yan sa ating kalusugan. And on top of that, meron pa siyang grapeseed extract. So yung grapeseed extract is another powerful antioxidant that is contained in the Divine. And last but not least, we have the vitamin D, which is very essential when it comes to our health, no? So yan ho yun, no? So imagine just one capsule, yung iba nga ho, others sold this separately. And you have to understand, yung price yan, hindi basta-basta kasi nga because of the benefits that you can get from each of the ingredient. The good thing about this Divine is that you have one product, but 6 powerful active ingredients in one product. So all of these things, kasama ho yung Fountain of Life, when taken together, it produces a synergistic effect. Okay? Yung bawat ingredient, it produces several benefits. Marami na ho kayong mabe-benefit niyan sa health. Very essential ho yan. May requirement ho yung ating katawan na kailangan ng bawat active ingredients na yan. And yet, when we combine all of them, it produces much more benefits. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating synergistic effect. Okay? So this product is all natural, vegan. It's also manufactured in Canada, gluten-free, and as well as GMO-free. So it's also available here in the Philippines already. So for those of you who haven't tried this product yet, you can actually order right now, no? So that you can try it out for yourself. Okay? So ano ba yung mga benefits na pwede nating makuha from taking this Divine? It helps to maintain and regulate the immune system. It supports liver and cell detoxification, lalong-lalo na ho sa panahon ngayon. Sa dami na ho ng iba't ibang klaseng pagkain na ipinapasok ko natin sa ating katawan, kailangan masuportahan maprotektahan din ho natin yung ating liver health and of course yung detoxification ng ating katawan. It also promotes gut health. Ayan. It supports respiratory function. It aids in vision maintenance. Ayan ha. So sa mga may problema ho dyan sa kanilang mga eyesight, maganda ho na nagte-take ho kayo nitong Divine kasi nakakatulong ho yan to promote yung ating vision maintenance. And of course, it promotes diabetic health, okay? In combination na naman with Fountain of Life, napakalaking bagay ho niyan, ano? Sa lalong-lalo na sa may mga diabetes, at it improves absorption of other antioxidants. Yan ho yung nagustuhan ko dito Kasi yung Fountain of Life, napakabilis nang i-absorb ng katawan, but on top of that, ini-improve pa ho nitong ating Divine para lalo talagang ma-maximize yung absorption ng mga antioxidants niya sa ating katawan. And on top of that, it supports collagen formation, it improves erectile dysfunction. Na alam ko marami ho ang namomroblema niyan, napakalaking market ho niyan, ano? Kasi nga ho tinutulungan niya mag-improve yung ating blood circulation. Ayan. It boosts brain and function and memory. It improves the skin. So lalong-lalo na ano, yung meron kayong powerful antioxidant na sabi ko nga magpa-picture muna kayo bago kayo mag-take nitong FOL at saka nitong Divine dahil definitely it will help you maintain your youthful looking skin. Ayan. And on top of that, it benefits heart health, which I believe is one of the most important thing that we need to focus on these days. No? Kasi yung heart health ho na yan, parami ho ng parami yung nagkakaroon ng problema sa mga cardiovascular diseases. And guess what? This powerful anti-inflammatory that can be found no sa atin hong Divine at sa ating Fountain of Life, definitely it will lessen the risk of you having these cardiovascular diseases. So all of these things, no, just by taking, of course, the Fountain of Life, the Divine, it will produce much more benefits, nourishing and protecting your cells, protecting your health so that we can achieve yung tinatawag nating healthy living. Okay? So ayan lang ho, ilan lang ho yan sa mga products ho natin. And on top of that, how many of you or people you know have been affected? Ito, another reality check na naman to ha. Who do you know na naapekto ng job losses? Ayan. So alam ko parami yung mga taong nawawalan ng mga kabuhayan, trabaho. Lalong-lalo na with the onset of inflation. Itong inflation, ito ho yung nagpapahirap sa maraming mga tao. Inflation means ito ho yung pagbaba ng halaga ng pera and yet yung mga presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin patuloy pong tumataas. Pag dumating pa yung mga sakuna, especially yung panahon ho ngayon, yung climate change ho natin, ano? Talagang maapektuhan ho yung ating kabuhayan dyan. Naranasan ho natin yan, especially nung panahon ng pandemya, nung nagkaroon ng health outbreak, lockdowns, talagang pinatigil niya ho yung mundo. At ito ho yung very alarming ngayon, ano? Yung tinatawag ho nating AI, because according to economists, they are forecasting that millions and millions and millions of people will be losing their jobs, their livelihood because of the onset of AI. Nakikita na ho natin yan ngayon. So what do you do when these things happen? Most of these things we cannot take, wala tayong control dyan. No? And so we need to take action. Because pag hindi ho tayo gumawa ng aksyon, chances are, unang-una, maapektuhan yung ating kalusugan. Pangalawa, maapektuhan yung ating kabuhayan. Buti na lang ho dito sa Opulence Global, meron ho tayong solusyon dyan. And over the years, the way we live has changed. Imagine, no? Yung panahon ho natin ngayon, lahat halos naka-online na, di ba? Yung ating trabaho, yung school ng mga bata, naka-online na. Food and grocery shopping, di ba? Kadalasan ngayon, very popular na ho yung mga Lazada, yung mga Shopee, nasa bahay ka lang, o-order ka, i-deliver na lang sa'yo. Yung mga pinansya-shopping ho natin, mga accessories, and even yung entertainment, no? Mga Netflix, ayan. And on top of that, the way we communicate right now, just like what we are doing today, is also through online. So, eto na ho yung kumbaga new wave na ngayon, bagong pamamaraan na ho kung paano tayo nagpo-progress, kung paano tayo nagmo-move forward. And imagine, another statistic for you. Nearly 39% of all Americans report having a side job, including 43% of full-time workers. Now, anong sinasabi ho nito? Ang sinasabi ho nito is that yung kinikita daw ho ng mga tao ngayon, especially if you're employed, especially if you're working, is hindi na ho sapat. Kaya ho maraming mga tao ngayon nalulubog na sa utang kasi kulang na ho yung kanilang kinikita. That's why they have a need, no? Na mag-set up pa ng additional na pamamaraan kung paano kikita sila ng karagdagan, di ba? So imagine that, no? So yan ho yung kumbaga panahon na ho natin ngayon. Now, ang solution ho natin dyan is for you to get started with an opportunity na pwede mong simulan ngayon, di ba? Now, ito ho yung gusto ko naming i-share sa inyo why e-malls are better than retail stores. Because for some of you, yun ho yung iniisip nyo, magse-set up ako ng tindahan, magse-set up ako ng shop, tapos kukuha ako ng pwesto, kukuha ako ng mga tao, kukuha ako ng mga produkto na ima-market ko. But all of these things, naku, napakarami hong kailangan yung intindihin dyan. Yung retail store, sa pagse-set up po niya, kailangan mo ng malaking kapital. Okay? Kung wala ka hong karanasan, wala kang kaalaman sa pagse-set up ng negosyo, chances are, after you have set it up, alam niyo ho bang statistic? Around 90% ng mga negosyo na sinisimulan, hindi ho nagtatagal ng 2 taon. So napakataas ho ng tinatawag nating fatality rate. Kaya marami din hong natatakot ngayon na magsimula ng sarili nilang negosyo after they have put up so much capital, so much effort, so much time, ganun nga yung nangyayari, di ba? Hindi rin nagtatagumpay kasi napakataas ng fatality rate. Okay? So retail stores require large inventory and staffing, and retail stores are dependent on local economy and are slow to expand. Napakahirap hong palaguin ng isang traditional business, yung tinatawag nating brick and mortar malls. And that is the reason why we encourage you to take a look, no, sa mga e-malls, sa mga online shops, because this is a new way na kung saan you can get started with a ready-made business na ang kailangan mo lang gawin is set up yung e-mall mo and voila, ayan na. Open up kaagad yung business mo sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. So ano ho ba yung mga katangian ng e-mall na katulad nito sa Opulence Global? Unang-una, low startup in maintenance cost. So hindi mo na kailangang gastusan pa ng malaki kasi yung company have already invested on the infrastructure of the company, of the business. Yan yung maganda dyan. Kaya pag nakipag-partner ka sa isang company, meron na kaagad infrastructure, meron na kaagad product. Tawag ko nga ho dyan turnkey business, ready-made business that can start in minutes and it expands globally in minutes. Subukan mong mag-expand sa isang traditional business, talagang napakarami nyo hong kailangang intindihin, napakalaking kapital pa ang kailangan mong ilabas ulit. No? So yun yung problema, no, sa traditional business. That's why itong e-mall is, again, no, the best way for you to get started, especially if you're having something going on right now. Kung may trabaho ka, kung meron kang existing na negosyo, ito yung pwede mong simulan isabay sa kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon. And on top of that, meron kang may enjoy dyan na wholesale, retail, and of course, the crypto web marketplace. Meron din tayong ongoing training and support. So it doesn't matter kung wala kang alam, wala ka pang karanasan sa pagsisimula ng negosyo kasi meron ho tayo ditong tawag natin Opulence University. So lahat ho ng bagay natututunan dito. And imagine, yung business ho natin dito, tax-free, inflation-free, bulk shopping. Napakalaking tanggal ho niyan sa ating stress, ano? No large inventory necessary. So lahat na ngayon ng mga products mo, naka-load na doon sa e-mall mo, ready-made na. At ang maganda ho dyan, yung distribution ho natin is in more than 200 countries and territories. Worldwide sales. So hindi ka limited dito lang sa lugar mo. Napakalawak ho ng scope ho ng ating negosyo, no? At meron pa ho tayong tinatawag na dropship program. Yung dropship program, ibig sabihin, the company takes care of the deliveries regardless wherever your customer is. Okay? So these are just some of the benefits, no, that you can get started immediately. And by doing that, you can have 13 revenue streams and residual income. Okay? It's mobile, unconfiscatable, and transferable business. Kahit saan pwede nyong gawin. Kakarating ko lang ho, galing sa Davao, imagine niyo kung ang aking negosyo ay traditional, hindi ko basta-basta pwede iwanan yan. Di ba? Eto, kahit mapa-Singapore ka, magpunta ka ng US, pagpunta ka ng ibang bansa, yun ho yung maganda dyan. You can do this business anywhere in the world. Okay? So nakita na ho natin yung pagkakaiba ng e-mall at saka yung mga traditional businesses. Now, the perfect partnership, kailangan lang ho makipag-partner tayo dun sa company na subok na. Okay? Ano ho ba yung role ng company? Ito ho yung ginagawa niya dito sa ating partnership. Unang-una, siya na ho yung nag-aalaga, siya na ho yung nagbibigay sa atin ng inventory ng mga produkto. Meron na ho tayong scientific advisory board na siya na ho bahala doon. Hindi nyo naiintindihin yan. Yung payments, no, kung paano nagpe-payment yung mga customers, yung shipping, guarantees and returns, kung paano mag-maintain ng website, the company takes care of it. Yan ho yung trabaho nila, no? And on top of that, yung training and support. So, every week meron ho tayong training dito sa product, meron ho tayong training together with our CEO, meron din ho tayong training tungkol sa business. So dito, as you do the business, you can learn and learn and learn, and as you learn, the more you will earn. Yan ho yung maganda dito, no? And of course, meron na rin ho tayong ino-organize na mga team building events, conferences, and conventions. So everything is provided for you. Now, ang role na lang ho ng mga e-mall operators, yun hong makatulad ho natin na nagsisimula ng ganitong klaseng negosyo, is yung tinatawag ho nating cost transition. Anong ibig sabihin ho ng cost transition? Ibig sabihin, syempre dun sa ating e-mall, tayo dapat yung unang tatangkilik ng ating mga produkto. Kasi mahirap hong i-share yung mga produkto na hindi natin alam, hindi natin pinaniniwalaan, di ba? So we got to be a product of our own product, and of course, kung ano yung nandun sa ating mall, dapat tayo yung unang nagiging customer niyan. So yun ho yung tinatawag nating cost transition. And then, on top of that, ang gagawin lang ho natin is tulungan din ho natin yung ating mga magiging partners to do the same, na mag-cost transition din, gumamit ng mga produkto natin. Okay? And then when it does duplicate, yan ho yung maganda, no? Diyan na ho nabibuild yung ating business. Okay? So ito ho yung pwedeng maging career path ho natin dito sa ating negosyo, no? We start at least, no, para at least i-launch ho muna natin yung ating e-mall, and then meron na ho tayong pathway dito kung paano kayo aangat magpo-progress dito sa ating negosyo. Okay? So paano ho tayo aangat dito sa ating negosyo? 3 simple steps. Number 1, launch your own e-mall. So yung e-mall, again, ready-made na ho yan. And then the second thing that we need to do is to shop our own e-mall. Yan ho yung tinatawag nating cost transition. And then from our e-mall, no, sell products and launch e-malls in more than 200 countries and territories. I-encourage din ho natin yung ibang mga tao. Ipakita natin ho yung benefits ng ating product. Ipakita ho natin yung benefits ng ating negosyo. And when that duplicates, dyan na ho nagsisimulang lumago at lumawak yung scope ng ating negosyo. Okay? So, unang-una, syempre, i-launch natin yung ating e-mall. Ano ho ba yung mga magiging benefits natin? Ano ho ba yung matatanggap natin dito sa e-mall na meron ho dito si Opulence Global? So, our exclusive products are preloaded to your Opulence e-mall, ready to ship worldwide. So, kasama na ho dyan yung ating website. So, imagine ha, ready-made na yung inyong website, customized, personalized website. Meron ka na rin dyang online shop. So, dun sa online shop mo, ready-made na yung tindahan mo, all of the products are already preloaded. At ready na rin siya na mag-ship in more than 200 countries and territories. Partner relation support. Ibig sabihin, when your customers call your e-mall, meron hong staff ng Opulence Global na sumasagot ho dyan, na hindi mo binabayaran. Ha? So, yun yung maganda dyan. Employed by the company ho yan. And then, of course, order processing management system. So, ibig sabihin, meron na tayong pamamaraan to process orders, to deliver the orders, no credit card processing fee, meron na rin ng business performance analytics, all the things that you need to know about your business, nasan ba yung mga customer mo, sino ba yung bumili dun sa account mo, lahat ho yan nagre-reflect dun sa inyong e-mall. Tapos may business and training support, lahat ho ng mga tools, no, in order for us to learn, understand, and grow our business, na andyan na rin ho sa ating back office. So marami ho tayong mga training materials na pwede nyo hong panoorin dyan. And then on top of that, yung mga products promo and material, yun yung maganda dito eh. Even yung mga tools, yung mga brochures, yung mga flyers, yung mga trainings, lahat ho dyan nakaload na sa ating e-mall. Sa iba hong company, kapag ka ho kayo ay gagamit nitong mga platform na ganito, meron hong annual fee yan. Minsan nga monthly fee pa ho eh. Sa atin ho, with our affiliation with Opulence Global, you get it for free. Okay? So do you understand that? Ha? Libre ho itong ating platform once you become a partner with Opulence Global. Magva-vary na lang ho yung investment ho ninyo base sa products na pwede nyo ho makuha. So meron ho tayong iba't ibang e-mall packages na ang maganda ho dito, balik ho, hawak nyo ho yung value nung ininvest ho ninyo. So hindi ho ito yung nag-invest ka tapos hindi mo alam kung saan napunta yung ininvest mo. Ito ho, kapalit ka agad, unang-una, product. Imagine niyo sa 26,342 as a brand partner, you can get products with retail value at $1,169. Pag reorder mo, 20% discount ka. Okay? So yan ho yung mga benefits na nakikita nyo ho, no? So ito hong ating brand partner, makakakuha ko dito ng products na worth mga 26,000 din. So kung ano yung halaga nung nilabas mo, yun din yung halaga na matatanggap mo in terms of products. No? Pwede kang bumili dyan ng fashion, pwede kang bumili dyan ng FOL, pwede kang bumili dyan ng mga Divine, health products. So yun ho yung maganda dyan. No? So on top of that, pag re-order mo, 20% discount ka. So dito, pwede ka na mag-enjoy ng mga retail profit. Imagine with your 26,000, bukas na kaagad yung business mo in more than 200 countries and territories. Pero syempre, yung mas mataas na package, yung mas mataas na e-mall, mas marami kang products na pwedeng makuha diyan, mas madami yung benefits na pwede mong ma-enjoy, especially when it comes to the income earning opportunity. So itong lifestyle advisor at 58,800 pesos, makakakuha ko diyan ng products na more or less worth nasa mga 70,000 more or less, no? Mga 69,000, sorry, 69,000 pesos worth of products. Pag reorder mo pa, nasa 30% discount ka na kaagad. So mas malaki na kaagad yung diskwento mo, di ba? And on top of that, meron ka pang matatanggap diyan ng mga welcome kit, and then meron ka pang matatanggap diyan na opulence currency. At ang maganda ho dito is meron ka ng available na sa iyo, no, yung 12 ways of making money in this business. So hindi lang isa kundi 12 paraan, no, para ma-enjoy mo yung iba't ibang pamamaraan ng pagkita dito sa ating negosyo. So Lifestyle Advisor Plus, okay? So next one is of course yung ating pinaka-premium na tinatawag na Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Yung Lifestyle Advisor Plus, actually ito ho yung pinakamaganda ho nating package. Sabi ko nga ho, ito yung ating top of the line kasi with the 77,500, meron kang e-mall, meron kang mga products na may enjoy. Actually, yung products na pwede mong makuha diyan will be worth around mga 90,000 plus. Okay? So imaginein mo, wala kang talo dito sa negosyong ito kasi the moment that you invest in this business, may e-mall ka, may business ka in more than 200 countries and territories, and on top of that, makakatanggap ka ng mga products worth 90,000. So ibig sabihin, ibenta mo lahat ng products mo, balik ka agad yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa. So wala kang talo, wala kang lugi dito sa negosyo. Miski nga hindi mo ibenta yung products mo, gamitin mo lang sa loob ng 1 taon, lalong-lalo na kung mga health products yan. Panalong-panalo ka pa rin sa pagdating sa kalusugan. And ang maganda ho dito, pag reorder mo, makukuha mo yung pinakamataas na discount, which is the 37% discount. And ito ho yung pinakamaganda dito, no? With this package, one time mo lang yan gagawin, you can now enjoy the 13 to 15 ways of making money in this business. And that's the beauty about this, no? Again, open na yung business mo in more than 200 countries and territories. Saan ka nakakita? With this amount of investment, kaya mo nang mag-business kahit saang parte ng mundo. Yan ho yung kagandahan nitong ating Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Okay? So ano ba yung mai-enjoy nyo pagka nagsimula ho kayo ng ganitong klaseng negosyo, lalong-lalo na yung LA at saka LA Plus. Ito na ho yung tinatawag nating Infinity Compensation Plan, which is your gateway to opulent lifestyle. So there are different ways to get paid in this business. First and foremost, ito ho yung tinatawag nating retail profit. So with your 37% discount, ang laki ng name-menos mo every time you purchase the products. Hindi lang ho sa health yan, ha? Pati lahat, no? Pati fashion, pati beauty, personal care, oral care, all of the products that are included in your online shop, you get the maximum discount of 37%. So pag binenta mo ngayon yung products mo, yan din yung profit mo. 37%, napakalaki ho niyan. Yun nga sa ating FOL sa isang bote, pwede kang kumita at least, no, a minimum of 1,600 pesos per bottle. So ang laking bagay ho niyan, ano? And then on top of that, you also get to enjoy wholesale profits every time someone buys yung mga e-mall packages ho natin. You can earn up to 350 Canadian dollars. And by the way, yan ho yung maganda dito. Miski na andito ho kami sa Pilipinas, kung meron ho kaming mga partners na kumuha ng mga packages, kahit hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kaling din sa ibang bansa, lahat ho ng pumapasok na commission sa aming e-wallet is in Canadian dollars. And mind you ha, napakataas na ho ng value ng dollar ngayon. Kaya nga ho yung ibang mga tao dito sa Pilipinas nag-a-abroad kasi mas mataas yung value na kinikita nila sa ibang bansa because of the currency. Imagine, dito ka sa Pilipinas, ang gastos mo Pilipinas din, di ba? Hindi malaki yung gastos mo, hindi katulad sa ibang bansa, mataas ang standard of living. Dito, peso ang gastos mo, pero ang kinikita mo, dollars. You don't have to live, no? Yung pamilya ho natin para kumita kayo ng malaki. Yan ho yung isa sa mga mahirap isipin ngayon di ba? Sometimes people leave, no? Iniiwan ho nila yung kanilang mga anak, maliliit pa, just to make a living. And now we have an opportunity na pwede mong kitain, no? Yung kinikita mo sa ibang bansa, hindi mo kailangan mawalay sa pamilya mo. Okay, wholesale profits, no? Another way of making money ho yan. And on top of that, yung residual income up to $60,000 which is paid, no, to infinity. Per week ho yan, ha? Yung $60,000 na yan. So ito ho yung tinatawag nating team commissions or leveraged income. Dito ka ho nagkakaroon ng pamamaraan na hindi ka lang kumikita sa sarili mong e-mall, nagkakaroon ka rin ho ng mga commissions out of the sales ng mga partners mo through Infinity. Okay? Leveraged income. So literally, technically, miski natutulog ka dito sa Pilipinas at may partner ka sa ibang bansa, na of course, with the difference in time zone, pag tulog tayo, gising sila. At yung partner mo na yon, tuloy-tuloy niyang ginagawa yung trabaho, tuloy-tuloy siya nagdi-distribute ng product, tuloy-tuloy siya nagsisales. Ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy tumatakbo yung negosyo mo while you sleep. Yan ho yung maganda dito sa negosyo ho natin. Hindi nakasalalay ng 100% sa oras mo, sa trabaho mo, sa dedication mo. So dito, you also get to leverage your time, your effort, as well as your income. Okay? And meron din ho tayong tinatawag na opulent club bonuses and incentives. Okay? So basically, pag kinag-combine ho natin yan, 13 to 15 ways ho yan. So pag naging part ka ng opulent club, ito ho yung exceptional incentives meets luxury. Okay? So ang benefits ho niyan is yung ating 6 years car club and adventures. So dito, even the company can pay for your own car. Meron ka rin hong opportunity to enjoy yung mga free luxury gifts, no? Cruise vacation, naranasan na rin ho namin yan. Last year, we went to the Asian cruise. Ang sarap pala ng magbakasyon ng libre. Di ba? Leadership Summit, yan. Exotic vacation, first class travel, private jet travel, and of course, a prestigious Ferry Mosh bonus. These are some of the things that you can enjoy by becoming a part of the opulent club. Ayan ha. So distinguished club ho natin yan. Okay? So another program that we have is what we call the Smart Buy System. Ito ho yung nakita ko kung bakit ho nagpo-progress. No? Kailangan ho kasi may sistema tayo kung paano natin palalaguin yung ating negosyo. Okay? So Smart Buy program encourages you to purchase products each and every single month. Why? Because yung products ho na yan ho yung pwede nating gamitin, yan ho yung pwede nating i-share sa ibang mga tao. Yan ho yung mga potential customers ho natin na nagbe-benefit din ho sa kanilang mga produktong ginagamit. Okay? So napakarami hong benefits itong ating Smart Buy system. So every month you get one. Pwede kang of course, your favorite products delivered through your doorstep. Maganda ho dito sa ating Smart Buy, you can choose any product of your choice. So kung halimbawa this month you want of course the Fountain of Life, the following month gusto mo naman ng Divine, the following month gusto mo naman ng shampoo, toothpaste, you can basically have the freedom to choose any product of your choice with this Smart Buy program. So every month we can have these products delivered right through your doorstep. And even kung halimbawa, sabi mo gusto ko yung fashion items. Yung fashion items na every month iniipon mo, no? Na iniipon mo ng iniipon hanggang sa let's say 4th month, 5th month, kaya mo nang bilhin yung mga bags, shoes, belts. Ayan, pwede nyong ipunin yan. Pwede nyong hindi mo na gamitin yung shopping credits na yan kada buwan. Okay? And by doing that, no, pag sinare din ho natin sa ibang tao yan, ganun din yung ginagawa nila. Naka-smart buy din ho sila. Eh, yan ho yung maganda. No? Nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng tinatawag nating residual income. Okay? So let me ask you, no, how would it help if you are making additional $1,200 every month? Okay, $1,200 every month. More or less nasa mga 48 to 50,000 ho yan. Malaking tulong ho ba sa inyo? Kung yung additional, kung itong opportunity na to, kung meron ho kayong ginagawang trabaho ngayon, kung meron kayong ginagawang negosyo ngayon, idagdag nyo lang ho ito. Pwede nyo hong idagdag ito sa ginagawa nyo ngayon. It can give you around 48 to 50,000 a month. Malaking tulong ho ba yan sa inyo? Okay? So ito ho yung pamamaraan kung paano nyo ho magagawa yan. Unang-una, by retail profit. Retail profit, whenever you make at least $4,000 sales, magkano yung $4,000 sales? Halimbawa, 160,000 pesos. Okay? Ang na-market na products mo in 1 month, alam nyo ba retail profit nyo doon? Nasa mga 48,000 pesos. Ang laki ho no, na percentage. Imagine, sa 160,000 pesos, retail value na na-market mo na products, 48,000 ang sayo doon. Di ba? Eh yung iba yung wholesale profit nila nasa mga 10% lang eh. Eh kung 10% lang yun, di mga 16,000 lang yun. Sa atin ho, mataas ho yung ating retail profit. No? Umaabot ho yan ng mga 18 to 20%. Actually, ito nasa mga 40% nga ho eh. 37%. No? So napakalaki ho niyan. And then on top of that, the wholesale profit. No? So ang maganda ho dyan, imagine, meron ka lang 4 na tao na kumuha din ng mga e-mall packages. So yung mga Lifestyle Advisor Plus ho na yan, pagka kumuha yung mga partners mo na yan, it will give you how much? $1,400. Eh yung $1,400, magkano ho sa peso yan? Okay, $1,400 times sa 40 na lang ngayon ha, Canadian dollars ho yan, that's 56,000 pesos. Tapos yung kinita mo pa na 48,000 sa retail plus 48,000. So, pag pinag-add mo yung kinita mo sa retail, kinita mo sa wholesale, papalo na ho yan ng six-figure income, 104,000 pesos. So, two ways pa lang ho yung pinag-uusapan natin na yan. Eh, yung pangatlo pa, yung tinatawag nating team commissions. Okay? Ito ho yung tinatawag nating cost transitioning your essentials. Whenever you shop no sa ibang mga outlets, no sa mga ibang malls like Lazada, Shopee, or even sa mga groceries, yung mga SM, yan. Kapag bumibili ho kayo doon ng shampoo ng iba, pag bumibili ho kayo doon ng vitamins ng iba, pag bumibili ho kayo doon ng mga watches, yung mga lotion ng iba, eh sino ho bang nakikinabang? Sino ho bang nagbe-benefit, no? Meron ka bang kinikita doon sa mga binibili mo from the other e-malls? Nako, wala ho. Yun ho yung problema. Ito ho yung maganda sa concept ng ating business. You get paid to shop with your own Opulence Luxury Mall, also known as Shop Your Mall. So whenever you purchase something dito sa ating e-mall, ang maganda ho dyan is of course nakukuha nyo siya at a discounted price. Siyempre yung iba ginagamit natin, yung iba binebenta natin, i-share natin, no? And of course, kikita kayo dyan ng retail profits. And then tuturuan din ho natin yung mga tao na ganun din yung gagawin, cost transition. Pagka ho nangyari yan, bumibili din ho yung mga partners nyo from their own e-mall, ayun ho yun. So every time someone buys in your organization and up to infinity ha, yan yung maganda diyan. Pati yung mga partners ng partners ng partners ng partners mo pag bumibili ho yan doon sa kanilang online shop. Okay? Yun ho yung maganda, kumikita ho kayo doon ng commissionable volume. So if you have 177 opulent shoppers in your entire organization through Infinity na naka-smart buy, bumibili ng products, ito ho yung maganda diyan. Meron ho kayong $1,240 in residual income. Okay? So hindi nyo na ho sales yan. Sales na yan ng mga team nyo. Sales na ho yan ng mga partners nyo. Okay? So hindi mo namamalayan, every month bumibili sila ng product, every month nag-accumulate ho yun as commissionable volume. Imagine, $1,240. Okay? Na hindi nanggagaling yung sales sa sarili mong e-mall. Magkano ba yon? 1,240. Ha? $1,240 times 40 ulit. Nasa mga, again, 49,600. So, i-combine natin yung dalawa kanina, retail, wholesale, pati itong 49,600 na to, eh, papalo ho yan ng 153,000. Three ways pa lang ho yung pinag-uusapan natin dyan. Okay? So, ang kagandahan ho nito is meron ho tayong opportunity na hindi nakadepende, nakasalalay sa oras ninyo, hindi ho nakasalalay sa lahat ng trabaho ninyo. Kasi sabi nga ho natin, pagka ho ang isang bagay pinagtutulong-tulungan, eh mas mabilis ho natin nare-reach yung tagumpay, di ba? Kasi syempre, hindi lang ikaw yung gumagalaw eh. Meron kang katuwang, meron kang katulong. Ayan ho yung kagandahan dito sa ating structure or concept ng ating negosyo. Okay? So you can earn up to 8.5% sa lahat ng inyong organization through Infinity. And how would you like to earn $60,000 per week? $60,000, hindi ho peso ha, $60,000 per week from all the sales and purchases in your entire organization. Lahat ng maglo-launch ng e-malls, lahat ng mga bibili ng products, lahat ng mga magre-repeat purchase, lahat ng naka-smart buy, all of the products that are being sold and purchased in your entire organization through Infinity, you get to have benefits, no, yung commissions, yung financial rewards. So this is a very viable business, no, to path to financial freedom. So on top of that, meron pa ho tayong mga profit sharing. So ibig sabihin, hindi lang kayo kumikita sa sarili nyong e-mall, nagkakaroon pa kayo ng shares doon sa global sales. On top of that, variance bonus. Ito hong variance bonus are actually additional bonuses coming from the purchases of Lifestyle Advisor Plus up to your 10th generation. Okay? Up to 50,000 additional na naman ho yan. And then meron pa tayong commission boost. Ito, kadadagdag lang nito, no? Yung commission boost ho natin are coming from the sales ho ng ating Divine, yung ating pinakabagong produkto. Up to $5,000 per week. So when we add up all of these different streams of income that we can generate from doing just one business opportunity, you have multiple streams of income na pwede nyo hong ma-enjoy yan. But the beauty about this is you can be in business for yourself but not by yourself. Ito ho yung negosyo na meron hong support system. First is meron ho tayong tinatawag na My 5. Yung My 5, these are the 5 people that has gone ahead of you na meron na hong experience, karanasan kung paano gagawin yung negosyo. And they can be yung support system. Sila ho yung pwedeng magturo, mag-mentor, mag-coach ho sa atin kung paano ho natin sisimulan at palalaganapin, palalawakin ang ating negosyo. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Meron ho tayong tinatawag dito na teamwork makes the dream work. Okay? One team, one dream to the billion. Okay? And then meron ho tayong live training webinars and on-demand videos. Yan ho yung maganda dito, no? Miski wala kang karanasan sa paggawa ng negosyo, lahat ho ng bagay dito natututunan. Every week, meron ho tayong mga weekly calls, no, weekly trainings. Yan. And of course, pwede rin ho kayong magpa-add, no, sa mga support groups on social media, yung mga group chats ho natin. Whenever you have questions, clarifications, or anything that you want to learn, very accessible ho yung ating mga GC, so you can ask your question anytime, anywhere. Okay? So again, no, meron ho tayong team dito na tutulong ho yan sa inyo. So don't worry kung hindi mo pa alam or wala ka pang karanasan sa paggawa ng negosyo. And again, as a summary, ito ho yung gusto naming maintindihan ho ninyo, no? Kayo ho yung pumili kung anong gusto nyong mode or gusto nyong simulan, no? Kung gusto niyo na mas mabilis, go for the best package, itong Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Kung gusto niyo ho mabilis na ma-enjoy at ma-maximize yung inyong mga mga benefits, no, sa negosyong ito. And on top of that, no, kung siyempre gusto mo munang eto muna ang kaya ko, Lifestyle Advisor Plus, so pwede rin ho yan, no? With your 58,000, meron ho kayo diyang more or less mga 60,000 worth of products, okay? And then of course, yung brand partner, sabi mo gusto mo muna retailing, gusto ko munang gumamit ng products para magka-discount ako. So, any of these things, no, yan ho yung mahalaga. Ang mahalaga ho dyan is you get started. Whenever you see an opportunity in front of you, get started. Yan ho yung sabi ni Mark Twain. If you want to get ahead, the first thing that you need to do is to get started. Okay, so this is a ready-made opportunity, complete na ho ng products, complete na ho ng infrastructure, e-commerce platform, and this is the way to go. So if you want to launch now, you can see our QR code on your screen. Pwede nyo hong itapat dyan yung inyong cellphone and you can choose whatever package will work for you. So ano among the products that we have shared with you, okay? Ano ho ba yung nag-appeal sa inyo? Ano ho ba yung naging interesado kayo unang subukan? Is it our health products? Is it our oral health products? Is it our beauty, anti-aging skincare products, hair care products, personal care products, designer fashion lines? So, whatever it is, no, that interest you, no, tanungin niyo ho yung mga partners na nag-share ho sa inyo nitong opportunity na to, yung mga nag-invite ho sa inyo. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call them, ask them, no? Paano ko ba sisimulan unang-una gumamit ng mga products na to? Pangalawa, paano ko ba sisimulan etong negosyong ito na pwede na palang buksan at mag-distribute in more than 200 countries and territories. Okay? So, as a special gift for you, ito, meron ho tayong tinatawag na welcome bonus sa lahat ho ng ating mga magiging new customers or new people na gagamit ho ng ating produkto. Starting today, no? Only for today. Okay? Dahil ho ina-appreciate namin yung oras niyo sa panonood nitong ating call and presentation. Today, meron ho tayong welcome bonus sa lahat ng ating mga new customers. Paano ho yung mangyayari dyan? If you spend a minimum of $200. Okay? So kung nakita nyo, pwede sa inyo yung Fountain of Life, pwede sa inyo yung Divine, pwede sa inyo yung Fashion, and you spend a minimum of $200, we will discount $100 off your purchase. Okay? So, laking bagay ho nun, ano? So, minimum $200, meron na ho kayo kaagad $100 off sa mga purchase, sa mga products na ipa-purchase nyo. Yan ho yung maganda sa ating welcome bonus. Gusto ko kasi natin na masubukan nyo kaagad yung mga produkto na ito because that is the first step in order for you to grow and start this opportunity. All right, so we'd like to welcome you home dito po sa Opulence Global. Maraming salamat ho sa pakikinig at panonood nyo ho nitong ating presentation. And again, if you want to launch your business now, you can scan itong ating QR code na nakikita nyo sa inyong screen ngayon. And this is the fastest way for you to launch your own business. Imagine, when you launch your own business right now, your business is open immediately, instantly in more than 200 countries and territories. So that being said, if you have any questions, I suggest you get back to the person na nag-invite ho sa inyo. And for those of you who will be making the decision today, congratulations and welcome home to Opulence Global. Once again, this is Rico Quilao. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching this video, and see you at the top to the billion.